Third key point. If the equation is of the form a by x plus b by y equivalent to 1 by c, directly write the equation as x minus ac into y minus bc equivalent to a into b into c square. A into b into c square. Answer is a into b into c square. How many integral solutions for xy? Directly you can tell it as how many integral solutions will be there for this equation. Answer is nothing but 2 into number of factors minus 1. 2 into number of factors for this number minus 1. 2 into number of factors minus 1. Please make a note of these three important key points. If you know these three important key points, you can solve a lot of problems very, very fast. First point is, in how many ways can you write a number as a product of two natural numbers, number of factors, product of two integers, twice the number of factors. If the degree of the equation is 2, write the equation as a product of two factors. Third one, if the equation contains variables in the denominator, this is the right form of the equation. One by one, we will solve a few problems so that you will understand these three concepts clearly. Application. First one, x into y equivalent to 120. X and y are natural numbers. X into y is 120. xy are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? 120, it is nothing but 2 cube into 3 into 5. So, in how many ways can you write a number as a product of two natural numbers? It is nothing but number of factors. 4 into 2 into 2. Answer is nothing but 16. First one, answer is nothing but 16. I hope the idea it is clear. X into y equivalent to 120. xy are integers. How many values xy will take? How many values xy will take? 120 is 2 cube into 3 into 5. So, the number of factors will be 4 into 2 into 2, 16. 16 will be positive into positive. Negative into negative also there will be 16. Answer is nothing but 32. First key point and its application. First key point and its application. If it is natural numbers, only positive values. If it is an integer, positive into positive and negative into negative. 32. First key point, I hope it is clear. Right? Only when you understand the concept and apply for it, your ability to use the concept will grow right exponentially. X plus y plus xy equivalent to 143. xy are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? How many values xy will take? X plus y plus xy equivalent to 143. Degree of the equation is 2. If the degree of the equation is 2, write the equation as a product of two factors. Add 1 on both the sides. So, it is x plus 1 into y plus 1 is 144, which is nothing but 2 power 4 into 3 square. So, 5 into 3, which is nothing but 15. 15 values xy will take, x and y, right? If out of these 15 values, now see here, 1 into 144, right? 2 into 72. Now, listen carefully, sir, and so on. 3 into 48. Are there any cases where x and y are zeros also? We will eliminate it. X plus 1 is 1. X plus 1 into y plus 1 is 1 into 144. Right? If xy are natural numbers, x cannot take 0, y cannot take 0. That means 15 will be the answer if xy are integers. 13 will be the answer if x and y are natural numbers. If x and y are natural numbers, x cannot take 0, y cannot take 0. We got the answer 15 when x and y are integers. Out of this, x plus y is 1, x value will be 0. That is not possible. So, if x is 0, y will be 143. X cannot take 0, y cannot take 0. So, answer is 13. I hope these is also clear. Second one, one more example. 2xy minus 5x plus y is nothing but 55. Original exact question. X if I take common, these 2y minus 5. I need to write down as a product of two factors. So 2y minus 5. Half I have to take common because it is y. Minus 5 by 2 is there on the left hand side. It should be there on the right hand side. So it is x plus 1 by 2 into 2y minus 5 equivalent to 105 by 2. These are nothing but 2x plus 1 into 2y minus 5. 2x plus 1 is odd, 2y minus 5 is odd. So all the factors 3 into 5 into 7. These are nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. If x and y are integer, we want the integral solutions. If I want the integral solutions, into 2 I will do. Answer for this question is nothing but 16. Answer for this question is nothing but 16. I hope the idea is clear. If the degree of the equation is 2, write the equation as a product of two factors. If the degree of the equation is 2, write the equation as a product of two factors. Idea clear, right? Extremely important logics. If you are enjoying this problem solving, kindly like our video and share it with all the friends. Entire July, good number of mock-cat video solution questions, I will do it. I will take a question, I will discuss a concept, then I will solve the question, then I will create some more questions based on that concept, so that you will have an holistic understanding of this concept. Based upon this one, I am creating multiple questions so that it will be useful for you. 1 by x plus 1 by y equivalent to 1 by 12. X and y are integers. X and y are integers. These are nothing but x minus AC, y minus BC. It is nothing but a into b into c square. So these are nothing but x minus 12 into y minus 12 equivalent to 12 is 2 square into 3 whole square. So 2 power 4 into 3 square. Integer, right? So 2 into number of factors minus 1. Minus 1 is nothing but a solution. Minus 12 into minus 12. Because it's a perfect square. X and y both will be 0 at the same time. So answer for this question is nothing but 29. Answer for this question is nothing but 29. Idea clear, right? If xy are integral solution. Now you can probably, when you get this kind of question, you know the approach how to solve these questions. Right? Another one. What is the 50th digit after the decimal for 2009 into 2010 into 2011 into 2012 plus 1 when divided by 4. Plus 1 when divided by 4. Let 2009 is nothing but x. X is nothing but an odd number, sir, which we are going to use this logic. So these are nothing but root of x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 plus 1 when divided by 4. First and last, if I take, these are nothing but x square plus 3x into x square plus 3x plus 2 plus 1 divided by 4. These, if I take it as a, these are nothing but a square plus 2a plus 1 divided by 4. These are nothing but a plus 1 by 2. A plus 1 by 2. A is nothing but x square plus 3x. X square plus 3x plus 1 by 2. X square plus 3x plus 1 by 2. This is the value of the question. This is the value of the question. Now, if you see here, right, x is nothing but an odd number. Odd on square, it is an odd number. 3 into odd, it is an odd number. Plus 1 divided by 2. Plus 1 divided by 2. Odd plus odd is even. Even plus 1 is odd. Odd divided by 2. Odd divided by 2. 3 divided by 2, which is 1.5. 7 divided by 2, it is 1.5. That means after decimal, it will be 5. Remaining all will be zeros. 50th digit after the decimal. Answer is nothing but 0. Answer is nothing but 0. I hope the idea it is clear. 2009 is x. X into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 plus 1 by 2. X square plus 3x is a. This is nothing but a plus 1 by 2. A is nothing but x square plus 3x. X is an odd number. Odd plus odd even. Even plus 1 odd. Odd number divided by 2. You divide any odd number divided by 2. After dot the first digit will be 5. Remaining all it will be 0, 0, 0, 0, zeros. So answer is nothing but 0. Very, very good question, sir. Most of these questions you will not find in the regular textbook. Right? You will realize this once you solve more and more problems. Another question. This is a question based on geometry. One side of a triangle, there is a triangle length. One side has got length 75. Of the other two sides, the length of one is double the length of the other. If length of one is x, the next one other is nothing but 2x. So what is the maximum possible area of this triangle? So area of a triangle, it is given by Heron's formula, s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Only one side is known to us. Other two sides we don't know. So these is nothing but root of 2s is nothing but the perimeter, which is 3x plus 75. So s is nothing but 3x plus 75 by 2. So these is nothing but 3x plus 75 by 2 into s minus a. 3x plus 75 by 2 minus 3x plus 75 by 2 minus 75. Next it is 3x plus 75 by 2 minus x. Next it is 3x plus 75 by 2 minus 2x. Now if you observe, there is some kind of beautiful observation in the root value that we will derive. Now if you see here, this is 3x plus 75. If I take to LCM, 75 minus 150, minus 150, 75 minus 150 minus 75. That means if I do first and second, these are nothing but 3x plus 75, 3x minus 75 divided by 4. Next one, 3x plus 75 minus 2x. These are nothing but x plus 75. Next is nothing but 3x plus 75 minus 4x. So 75 minus x divided by 4. Divided by 4. That means these is nothing but root of 9x square minus 75 square into 75 square minus x square. 75 square minus x square divided by 16. I hope it is clear here. Once you understand this, you got the answer. Now it is nothing but area is nothing but root of 9x square minus 75 square into 75 square minus x square divided by 16 minus 75 square into 75 square minus x square. Now see here, there is a note. There is a note. A power p, b power q, c power r. It is maximum. It is maximum only when a by p equivalent to b by q equivalent to c by r, and a plus b plus c should be constant, and a plus b plus c should be constant. So what you do is you multiply this by 9 and divide it by 9. So if I multiply it, this is nothing but 1 by 12 into root of 9x square minus 75 square into 9 into 75 square minus 9x square. I hope it is clear. Now the same concept can be used. Product is maximum when the sum of the variables is constant. 9x square minus 9x square, it is cancelled out and the variables are equal. 9x square minus 75 square is 9 into 75 square minus 9 into x square. So 18x square equivalent to 9 into 75 square plus 75 square. From there, you will get the value of x square, substitute it, you will get the answer. Product of the variables should be maximum. For the product should be maximum. Sum of the variables should be constant. If I take like this, 9x square minus x square, I am getting a variable. So I am multiplied it and divided by 9. 9 into 75 square minus 9x square plus 9x square minus 9x square cancelled out. This will be the same. I hope it is clear. A plus B plus C is constant. 9x square minus 75 square plus 9 into 75 square minus 9x square. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. Why I multiplied and divided. Beautiful questions are where the rule of AM, GM, HM is used. If the variables are positive real numbers, product of the variables, it is maximum when the sum is, if the sum is constant and the variables are equal. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one, how many ordered triplets of ABC of positive odd integers satisfy A plus B plus C equivalent to 23? Concept. A plus B equivalent to 4. A plus B equivalent to 4. A greater than or equivalent to 1, B greater than or equivalent to 1. If the variables are starting from 1, generic solution is 1 plus 3, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 1, 4. Totally how many solutions I got? Positive integral solutions 3. Suppose if the question is A plus B equivalent to 4, A is greater than or equivalent to 0, B is greater than or equivalent to 0. How many solutions we will get? 0 plus 4, 1 plus 3, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 0. You don't need to use any separate formula for this. This can be solved like this. X can be written as A plus 1. X is greater than or equivalent to 1. B from 0 convert into Y. B can be written as B plus 1. Y is greater than or equivalent to 1. So A is X minus 1. B is Y minus 1 equivalent to 4. X and Y are greater than or equivalent to 1. X plus Y equivalent to 6. 6 means, how you got 3? 4 balls are kept in a line. There are 3 gaps. Select any one gap, you will get one solution. X plus Y equivalent to 6. 6 balls are kept in a line. There are 5 gaps. Select any one gap. You will get one integral solution, 5C1. 5C1. I hope the idea is clear. The variables should start from 1. If the variables are starting from 1, you can use this beautiful gap method to solve a lot of problems, sir. You can use this gap method to solve a lot of problems. A plus B equivalent to 4. 4 balls are kept in a line. There are 3 gaps. Select any one gap. If I select this gap, 1 plus 3, one solution. If I select this gap, 2 plus 2, another solution. If I select this gap, 3 plus 1, another solution. If 4 balls are kept in a line, there are 3 gaps. Select any one. You don't need to do all these variable change also. Directly you will get the answer. What is that concept also we will see. It is starting from 0. Add 1, add 1. 4 plus 2, it is nothing but 6. If 6 balls are kept in a line, 5 gaps are there, select any one. I will do some more problems whether to make it clear, then we will solve these mock cat 1 question. Examples. Suppose if the question is A plus B equivalent to 8. A is starting from 0. B is starting from 0. 0 means I need to add 1. 0 means I need to add 1. To 8 I am adding 2. 10. 10 balls are kept in a line. There are 9 gaps. Select any one. Answer is 9C1. Next one. A plus B plus C. It is nothing but 12. A is greater than or equivalent to 4. B is greater than or equivalent to 2. C is greater than or equivalent to 3. 3. I want the integral solution for this equation. I want the integral solution for these equation. A is greater than or equivalent to 4, B is greater than or equivalent to 2, C is greater than or equivalent to 3. 4 means I need to decrease 3, I need to decrease 1, I need to decrease 2. Total I decreased 6. 12, 6 decreased, which is 6. 6 balls are there in a line, there are 5 gaps. 2 variables, 1 cut, 3 variables, 2 cut. Answer is 5C2. Single shot, straightforward, you will get the answer. Just by looking at the question itself, you will get the answer. We started with when the variables are starting from 1. Then we did, the variables could start from anything. Lower limit and upper limit, if both are given also, you can solve it. Which I will solve it in the permutation and combinations for the enrolled students when I discuss. I hope it is clear. Now, we will solve the question that is present. Once you understand, these are very, very easy logic, sir. Idea clear, right? Now, we will solve. A plus B plus C is 23. Variables, if it is starting from 1, it is easy for us. So, it is 2k1 minus 1. K1 greater than or equivalent to 1. Even if you take 2k1 plus 1, that also will give an answer. That also we will discuss. 2k2 minus 1. K2 greater than or equivalent to 1. C is 2k3 minus 1. K3 greater than or equivalent to 1. So, these is nothing but 2 into K1 plus K2 plus K3 minus 3 is nothing but 23. So, K1 plus K2 plus K3, 26 by 2, which is 13. Answer is nothing but 12C2. Answer is nothing but 12C2. I hope the idea it is clear. If the variables are starting from 1, 2 into K1 plus K2 plus K3 minus 3, if it goes to the right hand side, it will become plus 3. 26 by 2, 13. 13 balls are kept in a line, there are 12 gaps. So, it is 12C2. 12C2. I hope this idea it is clear. What if it is 2K1 plus 1? That also answer will not change. A plus B plus C, which is 23. A is nothing but 2K1 plus 1. B is nothing but 2K2 plus 1. C is nothing but 2K3 plus 1. Variables are starting from 0. K1, K2, K3, they are starting from 0. So, these are nothing but 2 into K1 plus K2 plus K3 minus 3. It is 20. So, K1 plus K2 plus K3, which is nothing but 10. These all start from 0. If it is starting from 0, what should we do? We should add 1. So, 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 means again 12C2. Again 12C2. Even when the variables are starting from 1 or the variables are starting from zeros, answer will not change. Answer will not change. So, you don't need to worry whether it is starting from 0, add 1. If it is starting from any other value, make it into 1 and optimize the equation. So, if 23 are there, there are 22 variables are there. So, for 3 variables, I require 2 cuts. If it is a positive integral solution. I hope this idea it is clear. Multinomial theorem, please avoid it. Avoid using multinomial theorem. Next one. A palindrome is a number which reads same forward and backward in a letters. Liril is a palindrome. Amma is a palindrome. Anna is a palindrome. Okay. In numerical values, 121 is a 3-digit palindrome. 3-digit means left to right, right to left. Both should be same. So, ABA, it is a 3-digit palindrome. Okay. ABA, it is a 3-digit palindrome. Now, what is that he is asking? What is the sum of all 3-digit palindromes which are multiples of 13? I want all the 3-digit palindromes which are multiples of 13. A is there in units place. B is there in tens place. A is there in hundreds place. So, these are nothing but 100A plus 10B plus A. This is nothing but 91A plus 9A plus A plus 10B. These nothing but 91A plus 10 into a plus b, and it is divisible by 13. It is divisible by 13. Now if you observe, 91 is divisible by 13. 10 is not divisible by 13. Conclusion is a plus b should be divisible by 13. A plus b should be divisible by 13. What are a and b here? A and b here are digits. A and b here are digits. It will range from which values? 1 to 9. It will range from 1 to 9. A is there in the leftmost. 1 plus 12, 13. Not possible. B upper limit is 9. 2 plus 11. Not possible. 3 plus 10. Not possible. Next it is nothing but 4 plus 9. Possible. 5 plus 8. Possible. 6 plus 7. Possible. 9 plus 4, it is also possible. 8 plus 5, it is also possible. 7 plus 6, it is also possible. So what are all the various numbers? A, B, A, it is the 3-digit number. First one, 494. Next one, A, B, A, 949. Next one, A, B, A, 585. Next one, 8 and 5 also possible. 8, 5, A, 8B5. Next it is 8. Right? Next one, 6 ABA, 676. Next it is nothing but 767. 767. One needs to add all the numbers. Now I am introducing a concept. A is there in units place. 4 is there in units place. 4 is there in tens place. 4 is there in hundreds place. Units place, tens place, hundreds place. Hundreds place value is 100. Tens place 10. Units place 1. 100 plus 10 plus 1. 111. Like that 111, 4 is shifting from units, tens and hundreds. 5 is shifting from units, tens and 100. 6 is shifting from units, tens and 100. 7 is shifting from units, tens and 100. 8 is shifting from units, tens and 100. These are nothing but 111 into 15, 20, 30. 8 plus 7, 15. And 9 is also shifting. So 15, 20, 39. 111 into 39, whatever the answer that you get, that itself is the answer. I hope the idea is clear. First we are finding the 3-digit palindrome. 3-digit palindrome is of the form ABA. A is there in hundreds place. 100A, 10B and A. 100A plus 10B plus A. 91A plus 10 into A plus B. Divisible by 13. A plus B should be divisible by 13. A plus B should be divisible by 13. I hope it is clear, Praveen. Idea is clear, right? This concept is clear. Why 111 came into picture? 4 is there in units, tens and 100. 5 is there in units, tens and 100. 6 is there in units, tens and 100. 7 is there in units, tens and 100. 8 also units, tens and 100. 9 also units, tens and 100. Next one.